All right, so now we're going to be using a massage gun on our triceps. In this particular case, I'm going to be using a Q2 mini massage gun because its small size is going to be easy for me to get around all the tough areas. So if you want one for yourself, it's really affordable, and a link is in the description. Now, in order to do this, you're going to get your hand behind your head, get the elbow to point to the ceiling or as close to the ceiling as you can. Turn on your massage gun. I'm using the flathead piece because it covers a wider area like that. Then place it in and go up and down on the triceps itself from elbow to armpit. Do not get it into your armpit, because if you get it into your armpit, there's nerves and lymph nodes that you could cause damage to, and then you're going to have to make an emergency trip to the hospital. Then once you're done with that for about 20-25 seconds, switch off to the other side. Remember, hand behind the head, elbow to the ceiling, then get the massage gun to work that surface area. Elbow to armpit, avoiding that armpit. Breathe. But if you smell, turn your head the other way as you do this. Then once you're done, you move into the next thing because you'll have just used a massage gun on your tricep.